We're starting some broccoli cheddar soup in the slow cooker this morning. This recipe has carrots in it. I can't remember if I've ever put carrots in broccoli cheddar soup, but we're gonna try it this time. So I'm just gonna peel these and slice them. The kids are doing their schoolwork over there, and the headphones thing is a little weird right now. They keep cutting out. So we're just gonna peel these and then slice them up and chop up this onion. I already got the slow cooker sprayed. I'm gonna give these to the chickens here in a little bit. Actually, I saw them in the back. They're already out this morning. It gets darker earlier now, so when it gets darker earlier, we start letting them out earlier. Y'all aren't gonna believe this, but it was in the 30s this morning. I mean, maybe you do believe it, but I couldn't believe it. Whoa, that sun is bright. Yeah, it was only in the 30s when we got up this morning. I think it's in the upper 40s now, but it was a chilly one. We definitely could have had a fire going. I was seeing if the chickens were out here to give them the carrot peelings, but they're not in the back or here. They must be over in the woods. It's a perfect day for soup since it is such a cool one out there. All right, we've got the carrots and onions in there. Now we're gonna put the broccoli. We're using frozen broccoli for this. And we'll stir these together. I'm putting some salt and pepper. We need 2 cans of cream of celery soup. And 5 cups of chicken broth. Stir all this together, and that's it for now. We're going to cover it, and it's going to cook on high for 4 hours. I need to switch this to low. I'm gonna go on low for 1 hour. And I went too far. I wish this had a back button. Before we add the cheese, we need to do something about mashing up the broccoli and all that. Now you can use an immersion blender, but I don't want to scratch up my slow cooker. I mean, I could do it without doing it, but I don't want to chance it. So we're gonna try to see if we can just use a masher. I don't mind like pieces, even about that big are okay. I just don't want the really, really big ones. I think we're getting it with this, yeah. I think that's gonna be good because we don't mind the bigger pieces of broccoli.
I got a lot on me.
We're gonna put in 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese and 1 pound of Velveeta.
It's very fluffy.
Now we just let this cook. It's got about 53 more minutes. And then stir it up and we'll be ready to eat.
Tasty, folks. On a cold day. Ooh,
Welcome home. That's
welcome
what
home.
that.
Welcome home, folks. Hey, we sorry we shut y'all in there. We're discussing how we're gonna get rich
At the Christmas
at
market.
the Christmas market. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. Welcome to the next day. I just got a Walmart delivery order. I went ahead and ordered like 2 weeks worth of the things that I need from Walmart. I'll be going to Aldi and Ingles, you know, whenever the new sales start on Wednesday. But I just went ahead and got, I'm pretty sure, everything I'll need from Walmart for a couple of weeks. Plus a few things that I just needed for suppers and some produce until I go to Aldi or Ingles in a couple of days, or both. It depends on if Ingles is having great sales. If they're having a really good sale, then I'll go there. There's some stuff they have too that we go there for anyway, like the Mountain Creamery milk. Unless I have time to go to the dairy, then we just get the milk from there. Anyway, I have all the Walmart stuff sitting here. I just took it out of the bags and then we ate lunch and it's just been still sitting right here. So now we're gonna put it up. So I got 2 things of laundry detergent. Great value, great clean, great scent. Original clean is the scent. I didn't know the scent on this one. And this one is Twilight Dreams. Then I got some scent boosters. We've tried these Arm & Hammer light ones before. I don't know if I've ever tried the crisp clean scent, but I got that, and I got this one, the Downy Unstoppables Fusions Daybreak and Clean. I'm gonna mix them all together. And I also needed a refill for my Swiffer Power Mop, so I got this. The lemon scent is my favorite one, and it says for the wood floors, but I use it for the wood and the tile, it's fine. I also use the other one for the wood and the tile. I use them for both. Hazelnut Coffee Creamer. Ingles has the Christmas ones already out. I think I've already shown y'all the ones with Kevin on them. They have those already out. Yes, Kevin. International Delight Sugar Cookie, Peppermint Mocha, and what is the other one they have that has Kevin on it? Is it Hot Cocoa? Oh yeah, we have this one. Kevin. Heavy cream. This is the kind Titus likes to use for his coffee. 8 o'clock Colombian whole bean coffee. We like the whole bean because we can tell a difference in the whole bean coffee and the already ground. It's a lot fresher. Okay, I ordered Better Goods honey vanilla or whatever their similar flavor is to that Greek yogurt, but they didn't have it, so they gave me this one, honey vanilla. Orange juice. Ooh, sorry, that orange juice trying to get y'all. Maple syrup. Spring Tree maple syrup right now is my favorite. I like the light. For a long time we liked the Andersons, but it's a really dark maple syrup. We have some over there, but it's like 2 times darker than this. I'm really liking the lighter maple syrup now. I got cheese from Aldi last week because they had put their price down to like $1.70 something, I think. But I ran out of pepper jack, so I got some pepper jack. We had a little bit of that with lunch, so it's already open. And I needed some more medium cheddar, so I got that. Smucker's Natural creamy peanut butter. Then we have pepperoni, which we also opened. We had some of those for lunch. Wraps, that's what Sissy had, was a pepperoni tortilla wrap. Mini sweet peppers and some serrano peppers. Celery and lettuce. I ordered the butter lettuce. We really like the butter lettuce, but they didn't have it and substituted for romaine. Strawberries. I got 3 cases of bubbly sparkling water, grapefruit, lime, and strawberry. 2 pounds of mild sausage, Tennessee Pride, and 2 packs of the hot. Butter, cream cheese, sour cream, Smart Food white cheddar popcorn, ranch dressing, ketchup, 2 pounds of baby carrots. And I ordered the Fire Crunch grapes again because y'all, those are my favorite grapes. They're so crunchy. I love them. They didn't have them, I guess, and they gave me these Mystic Green. They're pretty good. They're almost like the Fire Crunch. Like this one is kind of shaped like the Fire Crunch grapes were. They had a pointy end. They're not as crunchy, but they're still good. And I really liked those Moondrop grapes that we got from Ingles last week or the week before. They were the ones that were like this long, but the rest of the family were like, those are weird. Oh, that's nice. Showing me his Play-Doh. They didn't like the Moondrop grapes, but I thought they were good. I mean, ginger root, some applewood smoked turkey, onions, trash bags. I got the lemon scented trash bags again. I really like, oh y'all, I almost forgot to tell y'all, I like the lemon scented trash bags, but it reminded me of when we were talking about the pumpkin spice laundry detergent. When I was looking at the scent boosters, they actually have, I can't remember if it was Downy or what, but they have a cozy collection, and the scents were toasted vanilla, something about chai latte, and cherry something or other. 2 packs of the right brand applewood smoked, right? Yes, applewood bacon and ground beef. Most of the stuff that I get from Walmart every week is this same stuff, unless, like I said, Ingles is having it on sale for a better deal. But bacon, sausage, coffee, laundry detergent, the basics. These are the basics from Walmart that we get. Look,
Yeah.
I found a remaining Moondrop.